Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix set timer for photos and videos in Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Telegram apps. Tap on this. Select, you choose any contact number. Select this icon. You can choose the photo or videos you want to send. Then check on the photo or videos. Select photo. Some types this option. More three option. You can see some option here. You can select any ones of the option from here. Tap on send option. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe to my channel.